Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your Google homepage background image. If you want to personalize your browser with your favorite photos or a custom theme, this tutorial is for you. To change the background on your Google Chrome homepage, we need to go to the Chrome theme page. Simply type Chrome theme in the search bar. Once the Chrome Web Store appears, click on it. This is where we can pick a background. For example, if you like animals, we can browse the animal themes. If you prefer art, we can explore the art designs. Once we find a theme we like, just select it. Then all we need to do is add it to Chrome. Once it is added, open a new tab or go to the home page, and you will see the new background on Google. This is how we can customize the Google homepage background in Chrome using themes. Now we know exactly how to change the Google homepage background image.